So we can use HubSpot to create stunning emails and send it out to our database. Let's go into that. Okay, since we're just starting with this setup, it has a couple of options against this. So as you can see that we've already covered the import your contact section. So that is basically ticked off the list. Other than that, we also have an import option for opt-out lists to exclude all the people who are subscribers of the list or who do not want to receive our communication. So we can do that with the import opt list option. I'll do this later for now. For now, we are going to create our first email. Okay, HubSpot allows you lots of templates which are customizable, and you can use them to create any of your email based on your preference. Let's say we click on this. Now we have chosen a template, but HubSpot also provides us the functionality to further customize that email, its content, its graphics, and all the other components within this. Now we're going to do that. Okay, let's close the tour for now. We will just do our own analysis and assessment of the components. So this is the basic template that we have just cloned for ourselves. This is the company logo. If you want to add any other image, let's say, on it, because you can see that currently this email does not have any image. I want to drag and drop the image here. So this is going to show me an image banner here. Currently, we are new to the system, so we do not have images within from our local repo, but you can have other images that are, you have other options as well. So either you want to add it from a URL, let's say, you can also take out the images. And if I can go with this, I just want to preview that. And we will try to fetch the images from the Xgrid.co website to get it within our system. This might take a bit of time, but we'll just patiently wait for this. Okay, now you can see a couple of images that have been pulled out from our Xgrid.co website. Let's say we are going to use any one of this. For now, I can use this option, and I select this, and I want to import it within my system. Okay, yeah, upload images. Okay, now you can see that this image is available within our email that we have just currently in the phase of designing. Other than that, if you want to have some other basic adjustments for the image, you can do that. Adjust the height, alignment, and all the other stuff. We say that this is done and we want to focus on the other elements. Let's say we currently have a content here, but if you want to tweak it, you want to add something, you want to add links or any of other stuff, you can definitely do that. You would have noticed that we do not currently have any button within our email, so we can add a button here as well. Okay, let's just do that again. I would like to add the button at the end. And let's say we added the button text to subscribe. Okay. Live at Xgrid. And this would be updated to our new button. Okay. This is somehow we have played around some of the components. Once you design the email, you can adjust the settings as well. You can check out the sender address. You would definitely need a subject line, a preview text, if you want to personalize that, and any other plain text in case that the email is not being able to deliver in its actual version. So HubSpot creates an automatic plain version for this, just the text. This is how you can customize some of the settings. The third step is to send out the email. Now you have two options against this: if you want to send it readily or you want to schedule it for later. But before that, obviously you need some of these contacts that you want to send out the email to. These you can either select from existing list, or you can have individual contacts that are existing within your system. Then again, if you want to exclude some of the contacts that you do not want to be receiving, this is particularly helpful in the cases then we have an unsubscribed list that is readily available in the system. So we can simply click on the unsubscribers list to exclude all those contacts from our sending operations. And the automation is currently, we can do that, but currently this feature is not available within our current package, so we will not be including it. Okay, so once you have reviewed and you want to send it to any of your contacts, let's say, you can simply click out review and send. Now before sending, obviously, if there are a couple of checks that HubSpot carries out just to make sure that the email settings are correct, it is already requiring a few of the subject line is missing that we did not enter that, and the company name and address is required for legal compliance. So HubSpot also adds these basic checks to help you out with some of the legal options as well, so you do not run into issues on the legal compliance. Okay, we can fix some of these and send out the email. Other than that, if you just want to preview how your email looks like, you can definitely go into the preview options within the actions button. And here you can see how it looks like. Once it is just quickly loaded. Great. So this is how your email looks like on the mobile as well as the desktop view as well. It is definitely important to add the unsubscribe link and the manage preferences link for each email, so the visitors or the users have the option to unsubscribe whenever they want to. This is particularly necessary for the GDPR compliance. Okay, so we have covered a bit of the emails. We have just reused one of the templates to create and send out an email.